Hello everyone. Well, making this video because I already finished file transfer module from Hack the Boss Penetration Tester Path. This was a really good module. What you will learn here is why transferring files from one system to other is important and the many ways you can do it. Basically, it will always think that you're using a Linux system because that is what we usually do to do some penetration testing. But it will tell you how you can transfer from your Linux system to a target Windows system or to a Linux Windows system and vice versa. Because not only you would like to get files into the target system, but you also sometimes would like to extract files to get information from the computer that you're attacking. So basically, it will tell you the many ways you can do it. And in summary, it means that you will need to deploy a server on your system or in the target system and connect to the other system to transfer the files between those two systems. Why it is important? Well, as I told you before, you want to extract files because they might have really important information that you can analyze in your computer, or maybe you have a program that will help you in your penetration testing task. Maybe you would like to get to know more about the infrastructure or the network of the company that you're attacking, or maybe you would like to deploy a malware or to see if that's possible. So that is why it is important to know how to transfer files from system to system. Another things that are good to know and that they teach you here is living off the land. That means that you're using not any external program or any new program that you're uploading from your computer to that system, but you're using the programs that are already in that system and that are whitelisted to that system. So you're not uploading anything, it's less suspicious, so you can get the job done easily. And the other thing that I found that is really useful is how to avoid detection, as it says here. So usually, if you run a command with a username that is not mm, that is not common for the system to see, you might get caught by IDS or whatever, or as SIEM or whatever. So there's ways in which you can tell the program that you are another user or another service user like Google Chrome, and you are downloading a file from a website. So for the system, for the computer, for the IDS, for the IPS, it is not so strange to see Google Chrome doing that, as if it sees a random user service doing it. So that is a way in which you can avoid detection. It is taught here, and it's a really good information to have. That's it. I will give it this module a 5 star because you are already learning what the penetration testing career needs to know specific to that career to be or to become a penetration tester. So I'm really glad that this model exists. I'm really happy with it, and I will give it 5 stars. Next module, it will be about shells, web shells, reverse shells, all that stuff. It will be very extensive because, as you see here, it took about 3 hours to complete this one, estimated. For me, it was longer. And the next one is 2 days. So the next one is a really chunky module I will be covering as soon as possible. So thanks for watching and see you later.